Let's have a quick conversation about business lawyer marketing. And I want to give you the tips, the tricks, the hacks that will help you overall get noticed. So let me first give you the bird's eye view. And I want to really go back to Legality 101. So what is business law firm marketing? So business lawyer marketing is a specialized form of marketing and advertising used by a business litigation practice to promote their services to clients who wish to be represented or get advice on civil lawsuits, not criminal, only civil lawsuits, because the criminal lawsuit, the criminal part of things is a little different. So marketing for business lawyers involves a variety of tactics that can help a business practice to showcase its expertise in the legal field, increase its visibility in the legal community, establish credibility and trust with current and potential clients, identify potential business leads and get more business law firm clients, stay up to date on industry trends, create a more efficient workflow, and build a strong online presence. So strong online presence means what? You are actually buttressing your SEO strategy so that you can get organic traffic from Google. So these tactics may include SEO services, pay-per-click advertising, email campaigns, social media outreach, networking, and other methods of increasing visibility. It's all about increasing visibility. So the goal of business lawyer marketing services is basically to attract more clients and build a successful business practice, right? So, and then you want to actually, you want the return on investment, the ROI, to be positive. And when done correctly, business lawyer marketing can be highly beneficial to a law firm and its attorneys. And so when we talk about business lawyer marketing, you first have to think about your website. That is really important. You got to really optimize your business law firm website. So make sure your website is user friendly. Use strong keywords. Prioritize your website visuals. Ensure your web pages load quickly. Very important. And you want to utilize SEO business law firm marketing strategies such as link building, meta tags, and backlinking so that you can actually help your website rank higher on search engine results pages, the SERPs. This will help improve your website's visibility and reach more potential clients. You also want to leverage mobile friendliness. It doesn't matter if you're a small law firm or a large law firm. You want to leverage mobile friendliness. As more and more people use their mobile devices to search the internet, making sure your website is mobile friendly is important. Potential clients will likely use their smartphones or tablets to look for a business lawyer. So fortunately, there are a few things you can do to make sure your website is mobile friendly. First, you want to look at your site's design to make sure it's easy to navigate on a smaller screen. Second, use responsive design so your site can adjust to any screen size. And finally, make sure your site loads quickly on mobile devices. Let's talk about SEO for a minute. So I want to talk to you about SEO campaigns in terms of business law firm marketing. The first thing you want to do here is that you want to provide educational and promotional content, right? It's not just about looking at getting new clients. You got to first actually add value, and adding value means what? You are actually educating. You are actually you are actually making sure that you are providing the right contextual processes for your potential clients. So in today's legal marketing landscape, content is king. So good content can make all the difference, whether providing educational materials or creating promotional legal content for your clients. So your content should be timely and relevant to your clients' needs, should be well written and free of errors, should also be original and unique to your firm. So bottom line is you got to really put a little bit of effort in your content, and you want to get as many links as possible. Links are one of the most important ranking factors for SEO, backlinking. And so the more links you have pointing to your website, the higher your website will rank in SERPs, which means more people will be able to link and contact you for legal services. And this is important. And so there are a few ways to actually get links for your attorney business marketing campaigns. You want to write guest blog posts for popular legal blogs. You want to publish articles in legal journals and online publications. You want to speak at legal conferences and events. You want to participate in online discussions and forums related to your practice area. And you want to connect with other attorneys and law firms on social media. You got to also think about technical SEO. So SEO has many layers. So you have promotional SEO, but you also have technical SEO. So technical SEO involves optimizing the website for your website for search engine algorithms and ensuring that the website is structured properly for the search engine to understand the content. This includes optimizing various website components such as website structure, page speed, navigation, and website architecture to ensure that search engines can easily access and crawl your website in the first place. And these are all important factors for attorney business marketing campaigns, especially if you're thinking about this with a scalability point of view, like with a long-term point of view. So keeping technical SEO in mind can help improve keyword rankings, visibility, and overall website performance in SERPs. This includes making sure your website is mobile friendly, improving your page speed, and making sure your site is very easy to navigate. Now, you got to get more clients as a business attorney with local SEO. So the thing is that when we talk about local SEO for lawyers, we're talking about a very specific form of SEO, very distinct from the technical SEO and the promotional SEO. And it's distinct in the sense that it can help law firms boost their presence in local search results. So you need to make sure that your website is optimized for a local search. This means that you will need to include your firm's name, address, and phone number on your website in a prominent location. And you also need to optimize your Google My Business profile and collect reviews to improve local search visibility. So if you are a law firm looking to improve your local SEO, there are a few things you need to do to get started. Think about GMB profile optimization. So your Google My Business profile optimization. And you have to think about NAP citations. So NAP means what? Name, address, and phone number. So you got to have NAP citations on your GMB profile. So adding NAP citations to your GMB profile is an easy way to improve your local SEO and help potential clients find you online, thereby improving your local search engine ranking. You want to collect reviews for your GMB profile. This is very important. And let me talk to you about some DIY SEO practices business lawyers should try. And they're not really complicated, by the way. So first of all, keyword research. You want to identify the keywords potential clients are using to search for legal services like yours. So include these keywords in your website content, blog post, and social media posts. Some free keyword research tools include Google Trends, Uber Suggest, Answer the Public, Keyword Surfer, etc. You want to ensure that your website is well structured. This means what? That all your pages should be easily accessible from the homepage and have a logical internal linking structure. And site architecture is an integral part of SEO, as search engine crawlers need to be able to navigate your website to determine its content and relevance easily. You want to build backlinks. You want to use social media. You want to monitor your results, and you want to create also a local directory profile. And the local directory profile is kind of different from your GMB profile, by the way. So that's an important element to think about. You want to think of PPC as a part of business law firm marketing. PPC, pay-per-click advertising. Okay, so PPC advertising is a viable and effective alternative to traditional marketing that can help you get more clients as a business lawyer quickly and efficiently. Okay, so what happens here is that when someone clicks on your ad, for instance, he or she is taken to your website where he or she can learn more about your firm. So that's really good. And when we talk about PPC, we're speaking primarily about Google. Of course, we have Facebook, we have Amazon, but that's another conversation for another day. But Google offers two main PPC business attorney advertising types: Google Ads and local service ads. And Google Ads is the main type of PPC advertising on Google. You can use Google Ads to promote your law practice on Google Search, YouTube, and across the web. Ads on Google appear when people search for terms related to your law firm's services, for example, construction, litigation, law firm. And Google Ads allows you to control your ad spending by setting a budget and bid amount for each keyword and measuring your ad's impact. You also have LSAs, so local service ads. Those are PPC advertising tips or models that lets you as a legal professional promote your services to prospective clients in your local area. With LSAs, you can target clients by city, zip code, or radius. You can also set a daily marketing budget and choose how long your ad will run. So that's really good in terms of flexibility, but also scalability. And let's talk about Facebook ads for your business attorney marketing practice. That's really fantastic. Also, Facebook is really powerful. When it comes to Facebook ads for lawyers, you want to create a custom audience. You want to use relevant keywords. You want to include CTAs. In other words, you want to schedule a free consultation today. You can do sign up now or click here to find out more. You want to track your results. So that's really important. We have an entire show. We'll dedicate an entire video about this Facebook ads for lawyers. Let me give you a few bonus tips here. So there are other best practices that empower your business law firm marketing. You got to think about business law firm awards and credentials. Okay, that's an important element to think about. And you also have to think about leveraging the power of business lawyer, PR, business lawyer public relations. So when we talk about business law firm awards and credentials, business lawyers can earn many different awards and credentials to empower their law firm marketing strategies and business. These awards can come from a variety of organizations, including the American Bar Association, ABA, the National Law Journal, AV Preeminent Rating by Martindale-Hubbell, Best Lawyers in America, Super Lawyers, and AVO 10.0 Superb Rating. So each of these organizations has its process for choosing award recipients, and still they all share one common goal: recognizing the best and brightest in the legal industry. So earning awards and credentials from these organizations can do wonders for a lawyer's reputation and marketing efforts. It shows potential clients that the lawyer is caught above the rest and gives the firm a boost of credibility and authority. So that's kind of cool. And you always want to share business attorney case studies if possible also. So this is kind of cool. And so a case study is really an effective component of a marketing strategy for business law firms, because it really showcases your capabilities and demonstrates how you can help prospective clients. By providing real-world examples of how you have resolved legal disputes, case studies instill confidence in your expertise and services. So that's an important element to think about. So of course, not all case studies are created equal, right? So to be truly effective, there are a few tips you need to keep in mind when creating a case study for a potential client. Make sure the case study is well written and free of grammatical errors. You do not want to have typos in that case study. Be sure to do your research and include relevant, up-to-date information. And you also want to keep the client's needs in mind and tailor the case study accordingly. This is an important element. You want to leverage the power of business lawyer public relations. This is an important element. So from media relations to thought leadership, incorporating public relations into your business law firm's marketing strategy offers various ways to get ahead, and PR helps law firms generate media coverage, build relationships with key influencers, and create content that educates and informs your target market. And so this is really cool. So you also want to hire a proper receptionist for your business law firm, and you also want to make use of an email marketing campaign. Now, why is hiring a proper receptionist for your business law firm important? Well, it's important to understand that first impressions matter a lot, especially when it comes to marketing. First impressions matter a lot. That's why it's important to hire a professional and courteous law firm receptionist. A well-trained professional receptionist helps to create and maintain a good image of the firm. They are the public face of the company and the first point of contact for current and potential clients, right? And they should also be proficient in customer service and have excellent communication skills. This is because they ensure that callers are directed to the appropriate party and take messages when necessary. They must handle a high volume of calls and remain calm under pressure. And the Lord knows that you're going to have pressure in your law firm activities. And since this receptionists are members of the firm's support staff, they should be familiar with its procedures and protocols, right? They should be able to handle various inquiries and requests courteously and efficiently. And additionally, they may be responsible for maintaining the firm's calendar, scheduling appointments, and coordinating travel arrangements. And you want to make use of an email marketing campaign. So email is a powerful marketing tool that can help law firms post their business law firm marketing efforts and reach out to potential clients. Still, you must use it strategically to be effective. Email marketing is good since it will allow you to reach many potential clients quickly and effectively. However, many businesses make the mistake of thinking that any email marketing, any email campaign will suffice, but this is not the case. You must make use of email marketing for lawyers that is tailored to resonate with the needs of the recipients. Very important. You want to set up a retargeting. So when we talk about business lawyer marketing tips, retargeting plays a quintessential role. So what do I mean by that? And this is an important element to think about. So retargeting is pretty important in the sense that you are actually re-engaging with folks who have established some kind of interest vis-a-vis your law firm. So a retargeting campaign should be a part of your business law firm marketing strategy. It helps keep your firm top of mind with potential clients who may need your services. By definition, retargeting is the process of showing targeted ads to users who have already visited your law firm's website or interacted with your brand in some way. That way, you can increase the likelihood that they will take the desired action. So before setting up your retargeting campaign, you need to know what you want to achieve with it. Do you want to increase brand awareness, generate leads, or drive traffic? When you have determined your goal, there are a few different ways to set up a retargeting campaign, but the most effective way is to use a tool like Google Analytics. With Google Analytics, you can create a custom audience for your retargeting ads and track how well your campaign performs. You can also establish connections and attend local events. So being visible in the community will help to build relationships with individuals and businesses nearby to create a referral network. This is kind of similar to your GMB, like a real life GMB profile, right? Google My Business profile. Now you are appearing at local events. People see you. There are many ways to get involved in your local community and develop connections that can empower your business law firm's marketing. And one way is to attend local events relevant to your practice area. Another way is to develop connections, in terms of joining local professional organizations. This can help you connect with other professionals in your field, leading to referrals, collaborative opportunities, and other development opportunities. So that's really cool. So overall, if you want to achieve success in business attorney marketing, you got to be really methodical. You got to be really consistent, and you got to be resilient. This is a long-term, how do I say it? It's a long-term battle, so to speak. So what are our closing remarks here? In today's conversation, I spoke to you about business lawyer marketing. I gave you a bird's eye view. I spoke to you about SEO, bonus tips, and now the closing remarks. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.